Hello, sir. So the main purpose of recording this session is to showcase the clarity of PTZ camera. So we are using A&T PTZ camera, which is a 10x optical zoom camera. So this is a pan and tilt camera. So if I'm moving from one place to another, so it is going to focus on me. Over a single click, I can bring it back, and over again a single click, I can move around and the camera can focus on me. It requires a remote access. So for second thing is that we are using a max of panel. So whatever we are going to write over here is going to represent you. So this is how we can record the lectures with the help of interactive flat panel displays. So this is a second thing. Moreover, this session also includes the clarity of voice you are getting. So I am using a wired mic as of now. So you can also use a wireless mic. In both the case, the voice clarity will be defined. So this is all about the session. So this is a PTZ camera and a mic, and with the help of a PC, you can have this kind of recording session. Okay. So we also provides the hybrid classroom solutions where we are doing the echo cancellations without giving the acoustics and all. So we work in all type of scenarios. Thank you so much.